the end of the lesson, students will be able to, first, identify the different types of soil based on their physical characteristic. Next, demonstrate the types of soil based on their physical characteristic. And the last one is, appreciate the importance of soil in all living organisms. Everybody stand up. Micaela, can you please come here in front and lead the prayer? Good morning, children. I'm your teacher, Ira. Before you take your seat, can you please pick all the trashes all around you and arrange your chair properly? And you may now take your seat, okay? Class secretary, may I know who is absent today? Very good, no one is absent today because later we will having a activity. Before we start our lesson, I want you to read our classroom rules. The first one is, if someone is talking in front, listen carefully. Next, if you have a question, ask your teacher, not your classmate. Last, if you want to answer, just raise your hand and I will call you, okay? Is that clear, children? Very good, okay? Can someone who can recall our last topic yesterday? Mika. Very good, it's all about clouds. Now we will having a short activity. Do you all familiarize with this game called Scrambled Letters? Very good. So all you need to do is arrange the scrambled letter according to the picture that I will show you, okay? If I call your name, just come here in front and answer this, okay? Are you ready, children? If you're ready, say, we were ready, okay? Are you ready, children? 1, 2, 3, we were ready, okay? Let's start. So, Micaela, so what comes into your mind when you see this picture? Okay, very good, lawn. Next picture, Erwin. Very good, sand. So, next, in the third picture, Cyrene. Okay, very good, soil. So, the last one. What is the scrambled word here? Rachel. Very good, clay. Okay? Very good, children. Give yourself very good clap. You know very good clap? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. One more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Now, based on our activity, what comes into your mind when you see this loam, sand, soil, and clay? What comes into your mind? So, what are we going to discuss this morning? Ate? Anyone? Yes? Erwin? Very good. It's all about soil. Now, I will call teacher Bridget Pamolarcano. She will continue our lesson. Okay?
Good morning, class. I am teacher Bridget and I am your teacher for today. So our topic for today is soil and its characteristic and type. So I have here a picture. Look at this picture. What do you think a man doing? What kind of plant did he plant? Do you think this corn will grow everywhere? Why do farmers consider a type of soil while planting? Okay, class, do you have idea what is soil? Very good. Soil has 3 types, and those 3 types have their characteristic. So, what is soil again? Okay, soil covers most of the land part of the earth. You find plants, animals, house, and other organisms on the soil. So, these are the soil. Okay. So, first of the 3 types of soil is loam. So, do you have idea what is loam? No, you have no idea. So, loam is a soil mixture of sand and clay. It contains large numbers of decaying plants and animals. It has fine texture. Kumbaga yung loam, ito yung nasa di ba yung soil, okay? Imagine nyo na lang ito yung lupa. Yung loam and yung baba niya, yung clay and yung sand. Yung loam is yung napagtataniman siya ng mga halaman. Ganun. So, next is the clay. Do you have idea what is clay? Hindi yung clay na nilalaro ng mga bata. Hindi yung clay ito. Ito. Okay. Clay is the other type of soil. Clay soil is characterized by its fine particles, high plasticity, and ability to retain water. It feels sticky and smooth when wet, can be easily shaped, and bakes hard when dry. So, ito yung ginagawa soil. Clay soil is characterized by its fine particles, high plasticity, and ability to retain water. It feels sticky and smooth when wet, can be easily shaped, and bakes hard when dry. So, ito yung ginagawa ng mga yung nanonood kayo ng Facebook and TikTok, yung inaano nila, ginagawa nilang paso paglagyan ng mga halaman. Yun. And the last is sand. So, do you ever see sand? Okay, of course, all of us see sand. And what you mean by sand? This sand is characterized by its large particle size. It's rough because the particles are coarse and loose. So, naintindihan ba? Okay. What again the three types of soil? The loam, sand, and the clay. So, what are the soil? Soil cover most of the land, part of the earth. You find plants, animals, house, and other organisms on the soil. So, thank you, class.
Very good. It is important because it helps us to choose crops, plants that will grow best in specific location. For example, wheat prefers loamy soil, but tomatoes can be grown in sandy ground. So, can anyone in my class generalize the topic we discussed today? Yes, me? Okay, very good. It's all about the types of soil. So, what are the three types of soil? Yes, the loam soil, the clay soil, and sand soil. Very good. So, let's move on to our activity for today. I will give you this activity, and after 5 minutes, finish or not finish, we will check your activity. So now we're done to our activity. Now, who got the perfect score? Okay, very good. I think all of you understand our discussion. So let's move on to your assignment. This is your assignment. Copy it on your notebook, then pass it to one. Thank you.